Hi, I am Dr. Rachita Munjal, consultant at Birla Fertility and IVF Gurgaon. Today I will talk to you about role of diet in PCOS management. Firstly, we need to understand something about PCOS. PCOS is one of the most common endocrinological disorder in women of reproductive age group. And you all will be very surprised to know that every 1 out of 10 Indian women suffer from PCOS. Women with PCOS produce large number of male hormones which are called androgens, and therefore it causes excessive facial hair, excessive body hair growth, acne, irregular menstrual cycles and male pattern androgens. PCOS greatly affects the fertility and reproductive health of every woman. Early diagnosis of PCOS is very important as it is associated with many medical conditions like diabetes mellitus, hypertension, heart disease, dyslipidemias and even endometrial cancer. Although the exact cause of PCOS still remains unclear, lot of theories have suggested that insulin resistance and impaired insulin metabolism associated with hyperinsulinemia remains the major cause of PCOS. Therefore, diet has a very major role to play in the management of PCOS. Since PCOS is not a life-threatening condition, people take it very casually and do not think enough about it. But simple lifestyle changes like keeping a track of what you eat, daily physical exercise for about 45 minutes a day and keeping a track of your weight can simply resolve the issues with PCOS. You should always try to include high fiber rich foods in your diet, like especially green leafy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower. Adequate amount of lean protein sources like tofu, chicken, fish can be included in diet. They are not fiber rich but are a very healthier source of protein in women with PCOS. Also try to keep a balance between the protein and carbs in all the meals of your day. Like try to combine a lean protein with a complex carbohydrate in each of the meals. In Indian meal there are various options, healthy options which can be included, like in cereals you can opt for oats, oatmeal, barley, ragi, whole wheat products, dalia, quinoa. You can also include pulses in the diet like green moong dal, yellow moong dal, all kinds of pulses like chana. Always include more of fruits in your diet like berries, oranges, peach, pears, watermelon. Any kind of fruit should be included in the daily diet plan of yours. Then in dairy products you can opt for skimmed milk or toned milk. You can even choose to have soya milk, tofu, yogurt. All are these healthy options. Nuts and seeds are also one of the healthiest snack option which you can include in the diet, like walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds. Now let's talk about food which you should avoid in PCOS. You should totally try to avoid processed foods, refined carbohydrates like white flour, white pasta. Instead, try to opt for healthier options like multigrain breads, brown rice, etc. Try to avoid sugar-rich foods and sugary beverages like sodas and soft drinks. Limit the intake of starchy vegetables, less of fried food and red meats. Then you should limit your intake of alcohol and caffeine. Try to eat small frequent meals. Eat every 3 to 4 hours any kind of healthy snack to avoid any kind of spikes in your blood sugar levels. Also try to pack your own lunch from home for work and try to carry a healthy snack option whenever or wherever you go out, so that you don't tend to eat anything unhealthy because you don't have any other option available. Research has shown that combining physical activity with some dietary modifications can really help in symptoms of PCOS. Like it can help in weight loss, improved insulin metabolism, reduced male hormones, and male pattern of hair growth can be reduced. More regular cycles, irregular menstrual cycles can be cured, and it also helps in reducing the chances of long-term medical conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and lower the cholesterol levels. Now you should know when to visit a doctor When you face any of the symptoms in PCOS like acne, excessive hair growth on body or face, irregular menstrual cycles, excessive sudden weight gain especially around your belly area, or you are facing any difficulty in pregnancy is getting delayed and you are trying, you should try to visit a doctor, consult the doctor and take doctor's advice for further management. Otherwise, simple dietary changes in PCOS can really help reduce the symptoms of PCOS. If you have any queries or concerns related to PCOS or any kind of fertility issue, you can ask in the comment box. I hope you found this session useful. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.